This is Planet Pulse for Thursday, December 28th. We start the day with the moon in Taurus and end it with the moon in Gemini. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine. Normally when the moon moves from Taurus to Gemini, there's an opening, a lightening, an easing of the restrictions, which are not necessarily unpleasant restrictions, but we like to feel kind of more contained with the moon in Taurus. Today, however, because the sun makes aspects with expansive Jupiter and diffusive Neptune, even while it's in Taurus, I think we have a little bit lighter and easier of a time. Now, easier may not be the right word, but a lighter time of that moon in Taurus.
Well, you're right. The moon in Taurus is about being consistent and not stretching the boundaries. And the sun's aspects today with both Neptune and Jupiter, the two arguably most expansive planets, maybe not arguably, certainly represent another trend. And this is a good time then to point out the difference between the moon and the sun. The sun represents consciousness and will in action. The moon is feel. So we could have that contrast today with being conscious of growth and wanting it and even moving toward it, and yet evoking some emotional resistance to stretching our boundaries.
Yeah, I think that's a good way of looking at the difference between the sun and the moon. I would add, though, that the moon, maybe not until, well, definitely not until early evening, the moon forms a square with Neptune, which again can open up our feelings a little bit more and draw us into the realm of possibilities, which Taurus doesn't normally like.
That's right.
Don't talk about possibilities.
Earth is about what is.
What is right now. And yet I think the gradual shift of the whole day, it becomes from what is to what could be. I'm Rick Levine.
And I'm Jeff Jower, inviting you to join Rick and me here every day at Planet Pulse.